Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cassar Industries. Hope you're all doing well. As you can see behind me, there is a motorbike. This bike is actually a Braap bike, road bike, that has been recently released. It's actually been purchased by Jason that works with me. You've seen him in a few of my videos. And I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a look over it, and I'm keen to have a bit of a look over it as well. So yeah, let's just get into it. So this is it guys. This is a 2023 Braap Moto 4. It's a 400cc road bike. It's actually 367 cc's, but it is classified as a 400. It is a twin cylinder, twin carby engine, which is a bit strange for a modern road bike of this era to be carby, but this is also a budget bike. It is air cooled as well. Quite a cheap bike though, brand new. These bikes are selling for around $4,900 here in Victoria. Braap do also offer, if you pay an extra $250 at time of purchase, you can get a lifetime warranty on this. So that's a pretty good thing if they're willing to back their product like that. So yeah, I just thought that we'd give this thing a bit of a look over. As you can see, that it is brand new. It's not even registered yet, but we are going to get a permit for this just so we can take it for a small ride up and down the street. But I just want to get the thing looked over for Jason, check tyre pressures, grease the chain, take the plastics off the indicators and the seats and stuff like that for him, and stuff like that. Just get the thing sort of looked over, and thought I'd take you guys along for the journey as well. Alright, so I got all the sort of basic checks and this thing done. Greased up the chain. I do find an easy way of greasing up chains if you're on your own is you can just put a jack underneath the swing arm to get the back wheel slightly off the ground, to spin the back wheel as you do it. I've set the tyre pressures, so I've just put them to 34 in the rear and 30 in the front. I don't know what they're recommended, but that's what I used to run on my other road bike. I'd also checked the oil and took the plastics off. So that's sort of how it all looks. A couple of things I didn't mention though. Rear reflector is broken during transport on the way here. That did actually break, but Jason does plan on putting a tail tidy on this. And there is also a scratch on the front as well, just from one of the straps, but we can always just cover that with a sticker or something. So yeah, now I guess I might just start it up and let you guys have a listen to how it all sounds on a cold start. These things do have a safety feature, which I don't really agree with. I've never seen it before on any other bike that I've ever experienced, where you cannot actually start these things unless the kickstand is up. But anyway, is what it is. So that was a stone cold start on this thing. Obviously being carby, it did run a little bit rough for the first few seconds that it ran, but then once I turned the choke off and restarted, it was all fine. The last thing I'm going to do is just tip some fuel into this thing, put a helmet on, and we'll just take this thing for a spin up and down the street. Taken almost all of that, so I'd say it's about 19 litres at a guess. I'm sure the internet will tell you exactly how much it is. Alrighty, see how we go with this. I'm just going to sort of go around the estate here. As I said earlier, the bike is not registered. I'm just riding it on a permit, which I have in my pocket. First time me riding this, hopefully you can hear me. Bit of a rattly visor. Well, there you have it, guys. That's gonna just about do us. Everything went well for this bike on the little test ride that we did. As you can see, literally after that ride, the thing only has 5 kilometers on the clock, so it is still quite new, extremely new. But yeah, everything sort of went well. For what it is, it doesn't go too bad. Mind you, I didn't give it too much because it is brand new, so I only sort of went to about half throttle, but it picks up relatively well for what it is. It's fairly comfortable, even for a smaller bike and me being a bigger bloke. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this sort of experience with you guys. If you like what you see, please remember to like and subscribe, and we will catch you very shortly in the next video.